Everyone is trying to be seen, posting, talking, competing. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The more visible you are, the easier you are to replace. So what if the real power isn't being seen? What if it's being unseen? We've been conditioned to believe visibility equals success. But visibility creates exposure. Exposure creates competition. And competition turns you into a commodity. That's why so many people are stuck, fighting for attention in crowded spaces. But there's another path. There are levels to power. Most people stay visible, performing, competing, chasing recognition. But a small group operates differently. They design systems. They influence outcomes. They build structures that others rely on. They don't need attention because they control the environment. This is the invisible empire. Introverts are naturally built for this. They think longer. They observe more. They rely less on approval. While others react to the system, introverts study it. And once you understand a system, you can position yourself inside it. Here's how strategic introverts do it. They identify the system. Benchmark who holds power. Assess where leverage exists. And recommend options, and act strategically. You don't need to dominate the room. You need to understand it better than anyone else. So stop chasing visibility. Start building leverage. Because in the end, the most powerful people aren't the ones you see. They're the ones you depend on. For more power insights for introverts, check out The Strategic Introvert by clicking the link below.